All right, we got her up in the air. We got our Haney jack standing under there. We got our Haney jack under there. That's support in case she lets go a little bit. And she is chucked, supported, with parking brakes on. Move some of my stuff out of the way here so I can show you what we did. There's an exhaust repair. Get under here.
Welded the hell out of this. Control arm.
Yeah, I welded, but it's well lubricated. All right, as you can see, there's your flex pipe.
Yeah.
That we inserted on. And everything's
This
back
one
together.
right here.
Put new bolts on there, rethreaded everything. That one's perfect. The one back there, when I put it in reverse, see that top knob?
Ah, yep.
That's where she's tapping the subframe because we reversed the torque of the motor. It's still rotating the same direction. We put the transmission in reverse. It pushes that exhaust clamp, the top bolt, right there, into the subframe. Watch your hand. Yeah. Show them how the exhaust flexes forward and back.
Basically,
It goes like that, and when you put it in reverse, she hits that subframe. So we're going to loosen those bolts up, and we're just going to turn that clamp and then retighten.